guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing an on-point review of the new Huda Beauty Life Liner. So here's how the product looks like. It comes in a very sleek packaging. On one side you have your liquid eyeliner, and on the other side you have your pencil eyeliner. Now let's talk about if the claims are true or not. So they're saying this is a long-lasting, waterproof and fade-proof eyeliner. It stays put for up to 48 hours and the finish is matte black. So far all the claims are true, which I'm very happy about. Now let's talk about the comparing products. So far in the beauty industry, the only eyeliner that could compare to this eyeliner is the Inglot number 77. Now we're just gonna get to the point. Get it or forget it. So you would want to get this product if you are looking for a very long wear eyeliner. For example, if you have very oily skin and your eyeliner keeps on sliding off, or you live in a very hot climate weather. For example, you live in Dubai or somewhere where it's really hot and your eyeliner keeps on sliding off. That's when you want to get this eyeliner. You need to forget this eyeliner if you are a beginner. If you don't know how to do your eyeliner, definitely forget about this eyeliner because it is not a beginner's friendly eyeliner. You need to forget about this eyeliner if you are in a rush or you don't have enough patience. They have made it clear on the website that this eyeliner needs 60 seconds in order to set and dry completely. If you are in a rush always, you don't have enough patience for the eyeliner to dry, you need to forget about this eyeliner. You need to forget about this eyeliner if you usually don't use a pencil eyeliner or if you don't use a liquid liner. Since it is a 2-in-1 product, you are paying for 2 products in one. So if you're not going to be using the other product, there's really no point of getting a 2-in-1 product. You would want to get this product if you do use a pencil eyeliner and a liquid liner. It will save you space. You will get 2 uses out of 1 product. Now you would want to forget about this product if you like to take your makeup off completely at night. Now let me tell you, when this product sets, it's really hard to take it off. So if you are the kind of person who really likes a clean under eye, no black traces underneath your eyes kind of a person when going to bed, you definitely want to forget about this eyeliner. On the contrary, get this eyeliner if you want your eye makeup to stay in place even when you wake up in the next morning. You know how many times people tell me that they sleep in their eye makeups? Let me tell you, there are people who do that. So if you are that type of person, definitely do get this eyeliner. I mean, your eyeliner is not going anywhere even through that good night's sleep. So that's it for all my get it and forget it points. Now we're going to talk about some of my personal point of view. So am I happy with the purchase? Yes, I am. Personally, I've been really impressed with all the products Huda Beauty has been coming out lately. I love her foundation and I'm really glad that she came out with this eyeliner. Personally speaking, I don't use too much eyeliner on myself usually. I do have hooded eyes. I mean, I could totally use it, but personally I don't like to wear eyeliner on a daily basis. This would be a great product for clients as well because I do need their makeup to last longer. For the pro tips, I have 2 for you guys. I think that this brush tip is a little bit harder for you to apply. You can always switch it to your own brush. For example, I like to use an angled brush. So what I can do is just take my angled brush and I can dip that into the eyeliner and use the product like that. Now do not go ahead and put the eyeliner on the back of your hand because this product does dry down, you know, faster than a gel eyeliner, so it's not going to work that way. You have to, like I said, it's going to be harder for beginners. If you want to use this eyeliner for its longevity and, you know, all those long wearing benefits, you can still use it. You can first go ahead and make your winged eyeliner with a black eyeshadow and then go on top of it with this eyeliner. Do not just try to go ahead and try to do your eyeliner completely with only this product because it is a little bit challenging for beginners. So this is what I would recommend. I hope these pro tips will help you in your application and I hope this whole video helped you somehow clear some of your confusion. For me, this product is a hit, so I would definitely buy it again. Let me know if you end up forgetting this product or getting this product. I want to know. Please like this video, subscribe, and then I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!